Welcome back to the channel. Today's subject 2023 Hyundai Tucson, and we have issue where we feel the rear kind of binding, pumping, thumping, kind of doesn't want to cooperate with us. So very common issue with these Hyundais and Kias is if they're four-wheel drive ones, they have four-wheel drive coupler attached to the rear carrier. That is common to fail. We're waiting for our replacement part, but we can go ahead and remove the old one. We're gonna go ahead and drive the rear end on the ramps. We are not going to replace the whole carrier assembly. We're just gonna go ahead and replace the coupler responsible for this issue. We're gonna go ahead and drive the rear end of the car on the ramps. That's the rear view on the back of your car, under your car. That's your carrier assembly here, and the four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive coupler is that part in front of the rear differential here. So as you see, there is couple electrical connectors that we have to remove, and we have to remove the drive shaft. These look like 14mm bolts. I peeled out 3 of them. Successfully removed the three 14mm bolts using extension elbow. We have electrical connector over here. Remove this. Looks like another one right here. And after that, as you see, I didn't have to remove anything else there, just this. Now we can go ahead and push this one on the side and start unbolting the coupler bolts all around. Successfully removed all the 4 bolts. There's 2 in the bottom, 1 there and 1 on the other side. Anyway, that will release the whole coupling here. Let me see if I can take it off with one hand here while I'm recording with the other. Let's see, here we go. Here it comes, and that's the mechanism that's giving us a problem. Once we have received our replacement carrier assembly, we're gonna remove that coupler assembly, install this one here, and bolt back everything on. This next day, we have received our rear carrier assembly. We will be doing the easy part only. We're gonna remove this four-wheel drive coupler, which is prone to fail on Kias and Hyundais. 4 bolts, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Let's get it removed. This is our replacement. Here. Before I'm gonna slide it in, let me go ahead and try to line up roughly. I'll try to line up. Actually, it's unnecessary, no need, because this one is, I'm able to move the actuator here itself, so that will line up our 4 bolts, line up the bottom ones, get it as close as possible. 1, 2. Let's see. 3 here. Drive shaft bolts. Very last one. There it is. Go ahead and get them hand threaded in first. This one here, top one. Okay, looks like we need our elbow to access the top one. Impact gun it's going. Just wanted to make sure I'm not running it empty. Time for drive shaft. Line them up. 1, 2, 3. Hand thread them in so you don't mess up the threads on the 4-wheel drive coupler. Okay. Let's do the top one first. Everything's flat. Connector 1 on the top, connector 2 on the side, and our job is done. New 4-wheel drive coupler installed. Time for test drive. Test drive is done. No thumping or binding or grinding sounds anymore, so this was success. Fortunate enough that we have a replacement part, easy to get, only for $200, 40,000 mile one, so job well done. Easy job, doesn't require any specific tools, just a regular toolbox will get this job done. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.